Hi, this is Brian Oswald with Oswald Financial Group, and I'm here to help you make an informed decision about your financial life. As a financial professional, I get a lot of questions about life insurance. People want to know if it's really worth buying or if they even really need it. In this video, I'm going to give you some key points to consider. When you get right down to the basics, life insurance is an income or labor replacement plan. It's there to help cushion the blow of the death for you, the folks that you love. So, do you really need insurance or is it a waste of time and money? Here are three key questions you need to ask. Question number one is, will someone financially suffer if you die? For example, do you have a partner or children who depend on your income? If your family would suffer financially by your death, there's a strong motivation to consider life insurance. Number two, does someone depend on you for caregiving or support? While you may think of life insurance as a way to provide for spouses or partners or young children, it can benefit anyone who depends on you financially, such as parents or siblings, adult children, or even disabled family members. And number three, do you share a major financial commitment like a mortgage or a business? If you own a business, you may have even more to protect and might need a more personalized solution than a simple life insurance policy. If you answered yes to any of these questions, life insurance is likely something you need to consider. If none of these scenarios apply, you may not need life insurance. If this video is raising new questions for you, or if you'd like to talk more about how life insurance could fit into your financial strategy, I'm here for you. Use the form below to send me a message and I'll respond personally. Thanks for joining.